Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Neteller Forex Brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Neteller offers fast, safe and secure e-money transfer services. Founded in 1999, it quickly expanded, and today is used by most forex brokers across the globe to transfer money to and from traders' accounts. Traders who are searching for some of the best Neteller Forex Brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Neteller Forex Brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is an online fully regulated financial broker. One of the reasons Tickmill is so popular is due to this broker having a 100% NDD or no dealing desk platform, which essentially means that there is no conflict of interest between their clients. Founded in 2015, Tickmill specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic and VIP accounts with low minimum deposits, over 80 tradable market instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own trading educational center, which delves into topics such as market insights, various trading articles, fundamental, technical and analytical panels, a comprehensive collection of educational video tutorials, as well as webinars and seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your education with Tickmill. At number 4 on our list is Alpari International. Alpari is an FSC regulated forex broker that offers flexible accounts, plenty of educational resources, and support for MetaTrader 4 and 5. This broker was founded in 1998 in Kingstown and has secured the trust of more than 2 million clients worldwide. There are currently 8 head offices around the world, and Alpari has grown into one of the largest global brands in the forex industry. As an Alpari client, you can trade a variety of forex pairs, precious metals and CFDs, and there are more than 250 tradable instruments to choose from. You can start trading with as little as $5 when you open an account with Alpari, and your trades can be leveraged by up to 1,000 times your initial deposit amount. With Alpari International, reduced negative slippage rates are guaranteed, and requote rates are incredibly low, even when the markets are volatile. Not only is Alpari a great option for beginners, but we would also recommend this broker if you are interested in copy trading, or if you would like to be a strategy manager for other traders. Alpari offers standard, micro, pro and ECN accounts that are suitable for all types of traders, from beginners and copy traders to retail traders and professionals. All accounts can be funded using US dollars, euros, Great British pounds, or the Nigerian naira, and the lowest minimum deposit requirement is $5 on the MetaTrader 4 account. Their standard accounts are commission-free with instant execution guaranteed, and they can be converted to swap-free accounts for Muslim clients. and spreads start from 1.2 pips. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. You can also use the Alpari application to easily manage your trading accounts, trade your favorite instruments, and monitor all your trades from one screen. Alpari is a great option for beginners because they provide plenty of trading guides, tips for successful trading, guides on forex trading strategies, and much more. There are also online workshops and webinars that are conducted by trading experts, and you can read the articles provided to gain more insights into forex trading and what it's like to be a trader. With over 2 million clients trading on Alpari servers, you can rest assured that you will be trading in active markets with deep liquidity and many opportunities to make a profit. Alpari guarantees low slippage, minimal requotes, and instant trade executions, so you will always be ahead of the game with this broker. Coming in at number 3, we have eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. eToro trading accounts are offered on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their very own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. At number 2 on our list is Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Neteller Forex Brokers, we have HFM. HFM, previously known as Hot Forex, was established in 2007 and is a well-regulated online trading broker. HFM has been listed under the World Finance Top 100 Global Companies and offers premium MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading tools, access to Autochartist, a VPS hosting service, and more than 1,200 tradable instruments. HFM offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, bonds, stocks, and ETFs. With HFM, you can trade popular cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. With lower commission fees, risk management, negative balance protection, mobile trading, and more. Their accounts are available on Micro, Premium, Zero Spread, and HF Copy accounts. The minimum deposits required range from $5 to $300, with no deposit fees, 24 hours a day, 6 days a week customer support, a large number of simultaneous open orders, variable spreads, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. HFM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on desktops and mobile operating systems. This broker provides a great selection of high-quality educational guides, trading courses, and research materials. There are plenty of educational videos that cover a variety of topics, such as trading psychology, trading plans, the basics of trading, technical indicators, as well as entire courses in video format that will teach you about using the trading tools and platforms provided, trading different instruments, trading strategies, and understanding the basics of trading. You can also delve into their podcasts and webinars if you are searching for any additional educational content with HFM. And those are some of the top 5 best Neteller Forex Brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.